The entire thing is made of Dyson vacuum cleaners.
I think make quite a good head.
Like this, and I've got some of these, so probably there to bulk up the shoulders.
Got two of these.
This, and maybe put them here.
It's going to look like veins.
Some bits like here, I think decided to put some red hose in here. Well, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this in a chrome vinyl, put this in here. I want it to look like a ram, like a hydraulic ram. So there we go, a dummy hydraulic ram. Oh, you just passed me that drill. He stands 10 foot high.
Go there to the head.